cool.
The awe-inspiring Diamond Head in Honolulu is a breathtaking landmark and is bound to ignite your sense of adventure. Situated within a 475-acre expanse, encompassing the remnants of a volcanic crater that formed over 300,000 years ago. Reaching the summit of Diamond Head promises an exhilarating trek with amazing views of the city. As you ascend this easy trail and hike the steep stairs, you will be rewarded with incredibly breathtaking scenery and feast your eyes upon unrivaled vistas of Oahu's pristine shoreline. A panoramic spectacle that will leave you spellbound. Diamond Head is the ultimate haven for adventure seekers with kids or those who just want an easy short hike.
I had sunglasses on, I couldn't see.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.